How to enter referral codes on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of View. Now over here you're going to find different options. Click on the option of Coupon and Offers. Now from this page you are able to easily enter the referral code and use it. At the top you will see the search box. Over there you can type in the promo code, coupon code, offer code as well as referral code. A referral code is a unique combination of letters or numbers that identifies individuals participating in a referral program. It acts as a key that unlocks rewards incentives when used by someone to refer others to a particular product, services, or business. So over here you can type in your referral code. After you type in, click on the option of Apply. With that you have just used the referral code. Well, this way you can easily enter referral codes on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.